This is the McLaren Artura Spider, a new hybrid supercar that is made to give both power and open-air freedom. This car shows how a supercar can mix speed, advanced technology, and beautiful design in one package. McLaren is a name known around the world for making fast and smart cars. The company started from racing and used what it learned on the track to build road cars that are both quick and light. The Artura Spider is a strong example of this. It is made for people who want a mix of performance and comfort. It is also a signal of how hybrid power can be used for speed, not just to save fuel. When you first look at the Artura Spider, the design stands out. It is a Spider model, which means it is a convertible. The hardtop roof can open or close in about 11 seconds, and it can do this while the car is moving at speeds up to 50 kilometers per hour. This means the driver can enjoy both an open sky and a quiet cabin with just the push of a button. The design is low, wide, and smooth. It is made to cut through air with very little resistance. Every line has a reason. The car is not just shaped to look good, but also to help it go faster and stay stable at high speed. The structure is made using carbon fiber and lightweight aluminum. This makes the car strong but keeps the weight low. Convertible cars are usually heavier because of the roof system, but McLaren worked to keep this weight gain small. A lighter car is faster and easier to control. It also helps the hybrid powertrain work more efficiently. The body has vents, ducts, and carefully shaped surfaces. These are not random. They help guide air to the right places. The engine and battery stay cool even when the car is driven hard. This also reduces drag and makes the car more stable. The Artura Spider sits close to the ground. Its shape makes it look fast even when standing still. The long front, short rear, and low roof make the car appear balanced and sharp. The large side air intakes feed cool air to the V6 engine. The thin LED lights, both front and rear, give it a clean and modern face. The car's roof, when folded, fits neatly behind the cabin without changing the smooth look of the body. The engineers also focused on how the car feels with the roof down. They changed the airflow around the windshield and cabin so that wind noise and buffeting are reduced. The chassis is built on the McLaren carbon fiber lightweight architecture. This is a special platform made to support hybrid systems while keeping the structure light and strong. It helps improve performance and gives the car a rigid feel, which is important for handling at high speed. The Spider version has extra strength built into key areas so that the car still feels solid even without a fixed roof. This is important because convertibles can sometimes feel less stiff, but here, the goal was to give the same driving feel as the coupe. The design is also about experience. When the roof is down, the sound of the engine comes through more clearly. The twin-turbo V6 has a deep and powerful note. The electric motor makes the response quick and smooth. Even though the engine is behind the seats, the car's layout is made so that the driver and passenger feel close to the power source. The low seating position and wide view over the front make the car feel special. This part of the car is about more than numbers. It is about how it makes people feel. The clean lines, the smart roof system, the light but strong body, and the way the car manages air are all made to give both beauty and function. McLaren did not build this Spider just to look good on a poster. It built it to work in the real world and to give a unique feeling to the person behind the wheel. This is just the beginning. The design and structure give the foundation. But the heart of a supercar is always its performance. The McLaren Artura Spider is not just a beautiful machine. It is built to be fast, responsive, and advanced. In the next part, we will explore how this car uses its hybrid system to deliver serious speed. We will talk about the engine, the acceleration, the handling, and why this Spider may be one of the most exciting supercars of its time. For now, remember its shape, its roof, its weight, and the way it blends form with function. This is what sets it apart from other cars on the road. The McLaren Artura Spider is more than just a good-looking car. It has been designed to perform at a very high level. At its core is a 3-liter twin-turbo V6 engine that works together with an electric motor. This combination gives a total power output of around 690 brake horsepower and 720 newton-meters of torque. The electric motor is placed between the engine and the transmission. It gives instant torque and smooth acceleration, while the engine brings strong top-end power. This mix makes the car powerful and quick in every driving situation. It is not only about numbers on paper. It is about how fast the car reacts when you press the accelerator. The car has a 7.4 kilowatt-hour battery. It allows the car to drive in full electric mode for about 33 kilometers. This makes it quiet and efficient for short trips. But when both the engine and the electric motor work together, the Artura Spider turns into a true supercar. It can go from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in around 3 seconds. It can reach 200 kilometers per hour in about 8.4 seconds. Its top speed is around 330 kilometers per hour. These are serious performance numbers for a convertible hybrid. Even with the roof open, it stays stable at high speed because of its aerodynamic design. The transmission has been updated to shift faster. McLaren says the gear changes are about 25% quicker than before. This gives the driver a sharper and more connected feel. The suspension system, called proactive damping control, adapts to road conditions and driving style. It makes the ride smooth when needed but keeps the car firm and controlled during fast driving. The steering is light but precise, giving clear feedback to the driver. All these elements work together to make the driving experience exciting and predictable. Inside, the car has a clean and focused design. Everything is made to reduce weight, but also to feel modern and high quality. The driving position is low and centered. The digital display shows key performance data clearly. The infotainment system is simple to use, and it gives control over driving modes, climate, and media. The seats give support for both fast driving and daily use. There is also advanced tire technology from Pirelli, called Cyber Tire, which provides real-time information about tire condition and grip. This helps the driver make better decisions on the road or track. The brakes are carbon ceramic. They are strong, light, and work well even under heavy use. This is important for a car that can reach such high speeds. The battery and electric system use a new electronic network that makes the whole system faster and more reliable. It also reduces weight by using fewer cables. This improves both performance and efficiency. The engine mounts and other components have also been updated to reduce vibration and make the car feel more stable. The price of the McLaren Artura Spider starts at around $273,800 US. It is a high price, but it is built for a special group of people who want speed, advanced technology, and the open-air experience in one car. This car is not only for collectors, but also for drivers who want to enjoy performance every time they get behind the wheel. Deliveries have already started in some countries, and more markets are expected to follow. The Artura Spider is not just another supercar. It shows where performance cars are heading. It proves that hybrid technology can be exciting and powerful. It keeps the emotion of driving alive while adding the smart benefits of modern engineering. It mixes instant electric response with the strong sound and feel of a V6 engine. It gives comfort when needed and pure speed when asked. This brings us to the end of this video. We have looked at the design, the engineering, the performance, the interior, and the technology of the McLaren Artura Spider. It is light, fast, advanced, and built for people who love driving. It shows how a supercar can move forward without losing what makes it special. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe for more car content.